How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Today, I'll be taking a look at this radiator side air deflector kit from 5.0 Resto, as well as showing you how they install into your Fox Mustang. These air deflectors are constructed from the similar rubber material that Ford used back in the day. They are black in color and are extremely pliable so that they can properly conform to the side of the core support and radiator. They're molded the exact same, so they won't be side specific, and each deflector also incorporates accurately placed holes for the provided push pins to secure each deflector to the core support. In the box will be 2 radiator side air deflectors and 6 push pins. For those of you that don't know the entire specifics on this part, let me fill you in. These deflectors weren't installed from Ford until 1984. This means that late production 1983 cars have these, and of course all Fox Mustangs until 1993. Now if you own a 1979 to early production 1983 car, these will still work if you want to add them to your car. Before installing these into your car, it's going to be beneficial to remove the airbox if you own a fuel injected car, the battery, and of course the battery tray. This may also be a good time to replace your battery tray and battery tray hardware. Once those are removed, you'll have enough room to remove and replace the air deflectors. From within the engine bay, dislodge the 2 upper push pins from each deflector. Now from underneath the car, dislodge the lower push pin from each side. You can now remove each deflector. Take this time to wipe down the area. Position the driver's side deflector into place and ensure that the deflector is positioned toward the front of the car and at a 45-degree angle towards the radiator. Install the 2 upper push pins. Install the passenger side air deflector and orientate it the same way as the driver. Install the 2 push pins. From underneath, install the 2 lower push pins. Reassemble any component that you may have removed, and then you're all finished. If you've been a long-time viewer of our videos, then you fellas know that I'm a fan for easy restoration parts. If you don't have these radiator side air deflectors on your list of things to do, go ahead and get them on your list. The quality is great, the fit and finish is right on the money, and more importantly, these won't break the bank. For the most current pricing and product information on these radiator side air deflectors, be sure and check out the product page. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course for all things 1979 and present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.